Welcome aboard Olga. I'm Andrew from Multi-Hull Solutions, and let me show you around. Extremely well presented example of the popular Fountaine Pajot Queensland 55. Complete with almost brand new main engines, the Volvo IPS 600s with joystick controls and a third control station. She has every possible option, making her ideal for economical long passages with a crowd aboard. Extras include top-spec electronics, cockpit capstans, water maker, satcoms, leather interior, Bose lifestyle systems throughout, comprehensive electronics array, AIS, entertainment systems, barbecue and baitboard digital TV, the list goes on. The Queensland 55 model is the flagship of Fountaine Pajot's PowerCat range and is a perfect example of economical cruising in total comfort. With a host of technological and design innovations, the Queensland 55 benefits from FP's 40 years of power catamaran design and construction. The flybridge is absolutely enormous and provides a whole new level of socialising with a massive teppanyaki grill, large table to sit 10 in comfort and a helm station with excellent visibility. The Volvo Penta IPS 600s have the joystick option, and she enjoys a third control station aft to make berthing in tight spots a breeze. The cockpit is a real feature with great use of space and the addition of a sunbed over the covered tender garage. The uncluttered deck layout with a forward seating area and easy access to water via the large swim platforms make her an ideal family cruising boat, and with her renowned seakeeping qualities, she's fast, able blue water adventurer as well as making a great party boat. The spacious saloon affords excellent headroom, and you'll love the amount of natural light and custom joiner work completed to a super yacht standard. The galley has everything a modern chef could ask for, along with ample storage and massive fridge freezer space. Her layout is a custom 4 ensuite cabin version, and she has crew accommodation and storage built into forward sections of each hull. The large Onan genset powers the tropical spec chilled water air conditioning, and she's fitted with a good sized water maker, large inverter charger system, full safety equipment, ice maker, etc. The list goes on forever. For more information, please visit our website at www.multihullsolutions.asia, and please don't hesitate to contact us via email on info@multihullsolutions.asia. Thanks very much for watching this video.